What is going on, money friends? Today we're going on day 2 of the Betfury Crash Challenge from a small account from $20 or $12 to $100. So without further ado, let's get into the juicy details. So they had some big wins recently, so I'm just gonna wait like a few rounds. What I'm gonna actually do is the settings, same settings I had last time. I'll do my bet at 30 cents. Remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is risky, and always consult a professional. Do your own research. And since my dogs were yelling up a storm, I missed the 140x, but we'll stick with 30. We'll cash out at a 3x, and we're gonna keep doubling until we get a profit. So we'll go ahead and check this out. We're gonna try and get to 100. Let's try and get to 50 today. I wish this would actually pop up because that would be very nice for the statistics. But 2.62, we're going for 3. We're gonna keep doubling until like we'll lose, we'll double our money, we'll lose, double our money, or we'll just win and we'll keep winning. Looks like we just won right there, 3x, so not too bad. This is how you do it. This is just how easy it is to make money with Betfury. So if we actually look at my results here so far, so I'm winning every single one. I think I lost on this one, or didn't even try, or maybe just didn't do right. Again, I won again with 300. What was that? $9. So I'm gonna bet again. I think since the last two or last three have been pretty low, I'm gonna try and get a bigger one. I'm gonna try and go crazy and just keep doubling down until I get a 10x, and I'll keep doubling until I do that. So we're gonna give this a go for a little bit. This could have been that one that got that 10x, but let's actually check this history. So more than a 10x happens probably every. So we'll double bet. And so this is what we'll do. So we lost this one with the multiplier. I might lose again, but we'll see. But I doubled my money, right? So this could have a big run. It could have a big loss. But let it run. We'll let it go. So again, this is the strategy: is when you lose, you double, and then you just decide on what profits you want to take. A 5x might be smart to cash out to make up for our money. I'm gonna get out now. So 9x. Whew, look. Oh man. So we doubled our money and we made $5. So starting of this, this is probably gonna be a quick drop. So I won't. We'll get a 2x and then cash out. Now, so we'll double our money again. There might be a big run here. Nope. So we'll double our money again. Or, it could essentially just keep having these small little hits too. Where essentially it just, like this, like one run after another at 1.5, 1 point or so. And then we'll just keep doing that. So, we'll have a big win here. I'm gonna take this to 5. I'm gonna shoot for like double it again. So you want to make sure that you can double it to a point where you can go for like 15 rounds. So you need like 100, and so I wouldn't say 100, but I'm gonna cash out probably pretty early here. I'm gonna take this up. I'm gonna get out at 5 because I want to make sure that I have my bankroll pretty solid. So I did get a $50 right now, so I am up quite a bit. So I mean, we reached our goal already. I took a little bit short of a time. Looks like 17. Wow, that was a big one. I could have made some decent money. Could have made $200 from this pretty easily. But I didn't. I took the safe route. But as you can tell, see, we are now at $50, which was, I think, our goal for today. Look at that. I could have made a nice little 100x, 70x, 80, 90, 100. Oh my God. Someone just cashed out. Huge. Did you see that? Wonder what they got. 130x. Nice win. Wow, look at that person right there. Bet amount. $1. Is that at $1? And they turned it into 6,000. Look at that. That's pretty crazy. But we're at $58. So, I mean, over one day, not too bad. I'm going to actually start this again. Like, this is what you do. You start small, and then you keep, when you get a good win, you start over from the beginning. And then when you get a loss, you just double, and you keep doubling. And ultimately the goal is to, so I'll double like this. Obviously this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I already had my disclaimer in the beginning, but this is gonna, I feel like there's gonna be a small run right here. So again, double. I'm gonna try and get a big win. There's been a few losses in a row and another few losses. So again, I'm gonna double. And this is just how it works, guys. This is how you do it. But you need to do it where an amount where you, how do I say this? You have to do an amount that you can have a few losses in a row, because you will get these runs of zero, like, money to be made, and then you'll have these big ones where you get a 10x or a 5x. So it's pretty good, not bad. So I'm gonna again double this, and I'll probably take it to a 5x, and then I'm going to go ahead and skedaddle. We'll see what is going on here in a second. Okay, there's a 2. Double it again. Double it again. And so I'm gonna shoot for I had 58. So I think I'm gonna shoot for like maybe a 3x now. And get at least be pretty break even. I'll be a little bit more. I'll be at 80. So let me just get that 3 and we'll cash out. And there we go. So I got a call, and I will see you guys on the next one.